Okay, this is a post-repair proof of operation video on your AE radio, so we'll turn it on. Station presets. Scan function. Manual tuning up, manual tuning down, and proof of operation of the cassette deck. Yes, auto program search. Program function. And of course, fat rewind, stop, eject. I'm going to let it burn in on the bench over the weekend to make sure there's no intermittent issues caused by thermal buildup. And when I'm satisfied it's ready to go, I'll get it shipped out to you, and we'll go from there. Thank you.